some silent letters. T, U, V, W, X, and Z. We will talk about these letters, that where we will not pronounce these letters. Now, first of all, we talk about T. T is all silent before CH. If we find T before CH, so in that word, the T will be silent there. You will not pronounce T after before CH. For example, match, match. And here T is before CH and CH is after T. After T. T is after CH, shift before T. It is silent before CH. It means CH is before and T is after. Now, watch, watch, match, match, catch, catch. Now, snatch, snatch. If a word ends in STEN, if a word ends with STN, in that case, the T will be silent there also. Like listen, 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 question, question, person, person, person. If a word ends with STLE, if a word ends with STLE, in that case, the T will be silent also. Like castle, 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 parcel, parcel, nestle, nestle, nestle. Now, if a French word ends in sorry. If a French word ends with ET, so in that case, that will be silent there also. Now, Dalit, 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 Button, Button, Government, Government is silent, but we pronounce a little bit the sound F. A little bit sound F. Like garment, garment, button, button, garland, garland. Understand? Understand? Yes. Now, go further about you. We'll talk about you, that where you will be silent. Now, look at the word. It is silent after a G. If we find U after G and before vowel, and before vowel, after U we find vowel, after U we find vowel. Okay, like college, college. E is U after and E before. Sorry, E before, U after from E. U before, E after from U. Before से पहले, after के बाद. So E is after or before E. Who gave me answer? E is after you or before you. Anyone of you guys? And here college, college, U is after E or before E. before E. U is before E. Okay, that is okay after U. After U. Like this one, gather. Gather. And here I, U. I is what? Guardians. 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 Okay. Guest. 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 Guilty. 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 Tongue. 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 Okay. It is also silent in some adverbs ending with. It is also silent in some adverbs. It means U is also silent in some adverbs with ending ULLY. ULLY. Like. Look at this. Wonderfully. 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 Beautifully. Beautifully. Wonderfully. Carefully. 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 Care. And American pronounce R. And British pronounce not pronounce R. Carefully. 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 Understand? Now we talk about we. There is no word with we, but is silent. So no word with silent. Now we talk about W. If a word begins with WR, if a word begins, I mean, if a word start from WR, so in that word the W will be silent, like wrong, wrong, right, right. If a word begins with WH, if a word begins with WH, so the W will be silent. Who, whose, all, wholesome, all, wholesome, when, now it's no word with silent vowel. Vowel. F-A-U-X. Vowel. Vowel. No word with H silent. Now it's about clear out the Z. Z, there are not many words in English. There are not many words in English. There aren't many words in English. Now there are only two words French language. Lazy. Lazy. The S pronounced the sound of Z. Lazy. Okay? Now Ferenzus. 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 If we remove Z, so Ferenzus. Ferenzus. We remove Z. Remove Z. Remove Z. 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 Okay? It is called Z. It is Z. It is Z. Z. X. Sort of X. W. 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 We. You. T. Ta. technology, 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 technology. Tick tock, tick tock, tick. Technology, technology. Understand? Now these are the T, U, V, W, X, and Z. These are letters where you pronounce silent. So these are no formula. Here we pronounce these words silent. Through a regulation of silent letters. These are. So today we completed all letters from A to Z. That we will not pronounce these words silent, and why? The reason. So we explore the reason also, that why we will not pronounce these letters in many words. But there are some words where we pronounce these letters also. There are many words where we pronounce these letters. Understand? There are many words where we pronounce these letters. And those words we remove this all to regulation. But many words we will not pronounce these letters. Understand? Those words which are random words. Random words. And random words we will not pronounce the alphabet also. Now today we will talk about lesson number